In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your playtime on Steam. Before we start, a quick clarification: Steam doesn't actually let you delete or reset your recorded hours. What you can do, and what most people mean when they search for this, is hide your total playtime so other users can see it. I'll show you exactly how to do that on desktop or mobile. First, open the Steam app on your computer or smartphone and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account where the playtime is recorded. A stable connection helps the settings save correctly. Once you're in, head to your profile. On the top right, click your username or profile picture, and choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public-facing page, where we can adjust what others can see. Next, click Edit Profile. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Select Privacy Settings. This is where Steam lets you control who can view different parts of your profile. In the Privacy Settings, look for the section called Game Details. This area controls visibility for your game library, wishlist, achievements, and your total playtime. Within Game Details, find the option labeled Always Keep My Total Playtime Private. This setting specifically focuses on your hours played. Check the box for Always Keep My Total Playtime Private. With this turned on, your friends and the public won't see your hours, even if they can view your game list. You will still be able to see your own playtime when you look at your library, but it will be hidden from everyone else. This is the best way to maintain privacy without changing anything about your games or your account. After that, save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your profile settings have been updated. Keep in mind, it can take a little while for this to reflect everywhere across Steam. Sometimes it updates right away, other times it may take a few hours as Steam servers refresh. If you still see hours on your profile right after saving, that's normal, give it some time. To recap, you can't delete or reset playtime on Steam, but you can hide it from all users using the Always Keep My Total Playtime Private option in your privacy settings under Game Details. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same place and uncheck the box. The steps are the same on mobile, though the buttons may be tucked into menus. Thanks for watching.